Hey guys, for this video, I will show you how to add social media links on your Shopify. First, go to your Shopify dashboard and on the left panel, click on Online Store. Now select Customize next to your store. Once inside the editor, go to Settings on the left panel. Scroll down until you see Social Media. Click on it and you'll see different social media platforms where you can add your link or URL. For here, I'm gonna add in a YouTube link. So just paste your link. Now, if you go to footer, you will see the icon of that social media. And if you view your site, then go to the footer, you will see an icon that you can click that will lead you to your URL. And that's it. That's how you add in a social media link to your Shopify. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.